Let's now talk about the percentage error. The percentage error of any measurement is simply equal to. So I have the percentage error P dot E is equal to the absolute value of the value approximate minus the value exact over the exact value times 100%, where, to make it clear, VA is the approximate value and VE is the exact value. Knowing our formula now, we can have an example. The size of angle M is 125.7 degrees. Since it is said that this is the size, then it's a fact. So I consider this value to be V exact. And Ahmed measures M with a protractor as 126 degrees. Since he measures this value, then this value is considered to be the approximate value, which is VA. Now we have to find out the percentage error he made in measuring angle M. So now the percentage error is equal to the approximate value, which is 126, minus 125.7, all of it divided by the exact, which is 125.7. I take the absolute value for this amount. Absolute value, it means I always take out the positive value and I multiply this value by 100 in order to 100%. In order to find out the value of the percentage error, we use our graphical display calculator. So we start our Casio graphical display calculator. We go to run matrix, and in run matrix, it's a bracket. I go to the fraction 126 minus 125.7 divided by 125.7. All of this value is multiplied by 100. And my percentage error would be 0.239, correct to 3 significant figures. So it is 0.239%. This value is correct to 3 significant figures.